to expect, and we've had a lot of fun doing this, and we thank you for joining us. Take a second just to introduce the people I'm on stage with. To your, let's see, left, our friend Alessandro Cortini. He's our secret weapon here. We appreciate him coming to help us out. Next to Alessandro, my long-term partner in crime and the genius behind the Operation Atticus Ross. To your right, another long-term companion friend here, the guy responsible for all the visuals you're seeing, Rob Sheridan. And then someone I'm into personally myself, Mary Queen.